Rip Shadow.
Today we will be learning about energy and simple machines.
Conservation of energy says that energy cannot be created or destroyed, but it can be transformed into different kinds of energy, like in this example. In this example, the energy was transformed from potential to kinetic energy. Potential energy is energy that could happen. Kinetic energy is energy that is in motion. When I break up with my boyfriend and I throw him off the balcony, the potential energy is at its highest and its kinetic energy is at its lowest because no motion is happening. When my ex hits the ground, the potential energy is at its lowest and the kinetic energy is at its highest because all motion has taken place.
A lever is a bar that pivots around a fixated point. Oh, say you have a type 1 lever and one side is longer than the other. That means that it takes twice as less work to lift an object that is on the short end of the lever. For a type 2 lever is used for something like looking on the underside of a car. And then a type 3 is rare because it gives off less output than it does the input. This is a type 1 lever, and it has no mechanical advantage because the sides are equal. In this type 1 example, the car is easy to lift because the red side is longer. This is a type 2 lever. Ooh. Ooh. This is a type 3 lever.
Ooh. And now for a brief intermission.
A pulley system changes the direction of a force. As you can see, on one side the string goes up and on the other the string goes down.
This is a block and tackle pulley system. It is easier to lift the load with this system than the first example because it has more supporting strings. Hey, this is a simple pulley system. When the string is pulled with twice as much work, the load goes twice as high. That's the load. This is the supporting strings.
This is an equation example of a pulley system. Our height is 10 meters, and the work being done is 420 joules. And using our math triangle, we can find our force by dividing the work and the distance, and we get 42 newtons.
Yeah.
Work and energy theorem says that work is equal to the change in kinetic energy. That means when Emily's ex was falling, he was doing work. Here's a very, very rough estimate of Emily's ex's fall. Just plug in the mass and velocity into this equation and you get your answer. The exponent is there because when speed doubles, kinetic energy quadruples.
And now for a brief intermission.
Join me.
Wait,
Join me. Oh gosh. Wait.
Almost died. We're gonna break this.
Okay. Oh, what?
Solar energy is energy that comes from the sun's heat and light. When the sun's light hits certain surfaces, it is transformed into electrical current. Solar power makes up 1.4% of energy usage in the U.S.
Worldwide usage is 1.8%.
Photosynthesis. Photosynthesis. Photosynthesis.
Thanks for watching.